Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you about average function in Excel. What does this average function do in Excel? This average function will calculate the average of all the numbers from selected cell range. For example, here I have prepared a dummy data for your reference in which I have listed names of few students, then marks obtained by them in the subject maths, in the subject science, in the subject English, and in the last column I have calculated the total marks obtained by each student. So what if we want to calculate what are the average marks scored by all the students in subject maths, or what are the average marks obtained by the students in the subject science? So likewise we can calculate the average marks obtained in each subject maths, science and English with the help of this average function. So let's see how we can use this average function. I will explain you three different methods to use this average function. So the first method is using formula step, second method is using insert function, and third method is using keyboard shortcut. So we'll start with the first method, that is using formula step. Formula step we can find under on the ribbon. So if we click on this formulas tab, we can see various functions available under the function library. For example, financial functions, logical functions, text functions, date and time functions, likewise. But where is our average function available in this? Average function we can find under more functions category and under statistical functions. So this is the second function under the statistical function. Just click on this average and we can see function argument dialog box appear on our screen. Before that, we have to select the cell in which we want to obtain the output of average. For example, here if we want to calculate the average marks obtained in the subject maths, so we want output in this cell I9. So I have selected the I9, and after that we can go to the formulas tab and we can click on this average. So here we have to select the entire cell range. For example, here we have to select, or we have to calculate the average marks obtained in the subject maths. So we have selected this all the cells and click on the OK button. So we can get the output as 62.8 is the average marks obtained in the subject maths. Similarly, we can also calculate the average marks obtained in the subject science, but for this we will use the second method. In the first method we have seen that this average function is available under this more functions and under statistical category. But you may think that how can I remember that this average function is available under statistical category? Well, I can say that there is no need to remember which function is available under which function category under this function libraries, because there are a lot of functions available in Excel which are divided into lot of function libraries. So to tackle this situation, we have second method to use insert function command. Okay, this insert function command we can find here on the left hand side of this formula bar. We have to just click on this, and here we have to select category. As we don't know on which category we have to search, we can select here as all, and here we can just type our requirement. What is our requirement? To calculate average, and we have to just click on this go button. Once we click on this go button, Excel will suggest the appropriate function to calculate the average. So this function is average. We have to click OK. Then the similar dialog box named as function arguments dialog box will appear on the screen. Here we have to calculate the average marks obtained in the subject science. So we'll select the cell range under the science column and click on the OK button. So the average mark obtained in the subject science, the output is 70. Now we will calculate the average marks obtained in subjects English with the help of keyboard shortcut. So for this we have to press equal to, and we have to just type average and press tab button on the keyboard. After that we have to just select the cell range. So here we want to calculate the average marks in English, so we will select the cells under the column English. we have to close the bracket and press enter button. So with this we can see that average marks in the subject English is now appear in this selected cell, that is 68.4. So with this you can use any of the three methods which is appropriate or which is convenient for you. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.